Ako, personally, I don't know what to expect na kung ano yung kaya kong gawin on stage. Pero I'm very excited kung ano yung ipapagawa sa akin. So, strength siguro, I think marunong kaming kumanta lahat. And I think yun. And sanay naman ako dun sa stage sa Music Museum because of Banana Split. So, so most likely magiging comfortable ako dun sa stage. Pero other strength like dancing or singing, yeah, pwede.
Ako naman, I guess I'm very nervous for it, Mr. July po, pero I feel comfortable dahil si Mr. Marvin Camilo, yung director musical director, and I chose Casey. She's one of my favorite musicians. So, hindi ko naman ang strength ko but you know, I'm just gonna give what I can give, and just enjoy the show for the fans, for the supporters, and have a good time. Like I said, it's like my foot in the door in the music scene. So, yeah, just enjoy it and have a good time.
Ako po, hindi ko din alam. Hirap kasi syempre we do mga rackets all the time, diba? Pero as a concert, also for me, it's one of my first times po. So yun, siguro yung strength namin kasi sabay kami and together, I think we have a lot of supporters that gives us enough strength to perform and try to do well for them.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Next question from Tita Maridol.
Okay, so kasi sabi mo, this is something out of the box. Ano gagawin mo to measure up to the abilities of your co-performers and how to improve on what you have? At saka si Daniel, because he's Japanese, meron ka bang Brazilian song na gusto niyo isama?
Well, ako po, I'm actually working on some songs with a friend of mine, Brazilian guy. Ginawa namin ng mga bagong song galing sa amin po. Pero yun, hindi ko alam kung gagamitin ko yung song namin po o hindi. Pero syempre meron mga Brazilian songs na alam ko. So hindi ko rin alam po kung anong gagawin ko dun sa concert. Pero baka meron na yung Brazilian.
Charger ka ng iPhone.
Ano ba? Bala kayo. Sino ba? Ako ba?
Kasi di ba first time ng concert at the box na ito? Anong gagawin mo para yung mga saka at saka at least part ka sa mga co-performers mo na mas experience sa'yo dito?
Sa tingin ko po talaga, honestly, I'll go with the flow. Kung ano yung ibigay ni Mateo and ni Daniel, of course, malaking part din naman ako sa concert. So, whatever they give, yun din yung ibibigay ko. And malaking bagay din na komportable kami sa isa't isa. Like, yun nga, pagkakaibigan naman. So, alam mo yun, ang hirap kasi i-explain kung paano yung gagawin namin sa concert. Hindi ko alam eh. Gusto ko lang sabihin talaga na we're doing this for the fans. Gusto namin mag-enjoy. Gusto namin i-take itong opportunity na to na maging happy lahat. Ma-entertain namin lahat ng mga manonood. So, yun talaga yung gagawin namin. Hindi ako talaga naisirahan namin. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung pwedeng ipakita namin doon. So, we're just waiting for it.
We still have a month to prepare for that. And definitely we'll take all your suggestions. Who else has questions? Sino pang susunod mga tatanong? Si Tito Dindo, I think may questions. Just lang.
Ano yung single chance? Or hindi pa kayo late? Late ako. Si dance or yung mga girlfriend ko, i-invite mo na boy.